Ooh, yo, how's it going? Welcome to the Lausanne Youth Olympics. I'm so amped to be here, checking out different event sports with this guy. Yeah, buddy. Let's go check out the half-pipe slopestyle.
Oh dude, I haven't had breakfast. I have a banana in my pocket. Yeah? You can have that for breakfast.
Dude.
Are you ready? Ready to go? Are you ready? Ready for more? Are you ready? Ready for me? Oh my my, oh my
On to the cross-country skiing. I've tried actually last season. Oh my god. And it was pretty fun, so yeah. Nice to watch, beautiful weather, everything's on point. Let's check it out. Top 3 are French. Yes, at the moment. Present. This is awesome. Alright, and the adventure never stops. Hockey time! I'm excited. I love hockey. Switzerland versus Finland. And supporting Switzerland with my France jacket. Alright, it's curling time.
Let's go!
Alright, little break from the curling. I'm here with Pablo, a professional curling athlete from Switzerland. I'm so interested about curling, I don't know anything at all. It's actually my first time trying it out, it's pretty sick.
Yeah, so basically I'm Pablo, 19 years old. I started 11 years ago. Now I'm working 20 or 22 hours a week. for it. I'm playing National Liga in Switzerland and also the elite side. So
how's the training?
we try to switch a bit the drills, so maybe a bit more technical things on Monday and the other day physical things, and then we switch again. It's more like that because the curling game is really tense, so you have a couple of situations that you need to train, and it's a lot as well in the mind, and we do mental training as well.
Okay. I think I've gained a whole level of respect for curling because I had no idea about anything, and you need some mental training and physical training. It's actually quite hard. Like, we tried it, you saw it. Yeah, it's fun. It's fun. Thank you for everything.
Thank you. Thank you.
Cheers. Here I am in the middle of the vortex, the athlete village. It's incredible. There's all the flags around where the teams are staying. And yeah, I'm about to get on the Olympic Channel live show. Pretty excited about that. It's gonna be fun. Let's go for it.
Go down. Come back.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, pretty tired from the dancing.
Which event has been your favorite event to take pictures and videos of?
I would say slopestyle and halfpipe. Yeah, big fan of snowboarding, and it was great. All right, this is it. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. I had a blast. It was incredible, and that was a lot of fun to finish with a bit of breakdancing with this guy, and and yeah, a bit of live show thing. Huge thanks to the Olympics. Huge fan. Ciao.